Hello, early learners. Today we're going to talk about farm animals and their young. So that's farm animals and their babies, because farm animals also have babies. So I'm going to show you a picture. You're going to tell me what animal it is, and I will tell you what that animal's baby's name is, okay? So let's start. Okay. What animal is this? That's a cat, and a baby cat is called a kitten. A baby cat is called a kitten. What animal is this? Right, that's a sheep, and a baby sheep is called a lamb. A baby sheep is called a lamb. What animal is this? That's a dog, right, and a baby dog is called a puppy. A baby dog is called a puppy. And what animal is this? Correct, that's a pig, and a baby pig is called a piglet. A baby pig is called a piglet. What animal is this? Correct, that's a cow, and a baby cow is called a calf. A baby cow is called a calf. And everybody knows what animal this is. That's right, that's a chicken. And a baby chicken is called a chick. A baby chicken is called a chick. And the last one, what animal is this? It's a duck. It's a duck, and a baby duck is called a duckling. A baby duck is called a duckling. All right, that's animals and their young. See you.